Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable Do Not Disturb at Night notifications on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to the app, then click on My Accounts once you've logged in, then click on Settings on the top right corner. Again, I'm going to click on Notifications. Then as you can see, it's turned on. So now we're going to turn it off. So we'll receive any notifications between those hours. So it's easy as that. We also have a video on how to disable it. So you guys could check our YouTube out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.